channel. So this is our very first YouTube channel and it's our very first post.
So today being Friendship Day and the 2nd of August, we decided today to be the best day to put our first post, and as we are the best friends, so we decided to make this post today. So what's going to be our topic?
So today our topic is going to be the very common topic of all the girls, and we like the topic a lot, and it's related to makeup. So it is lipsticks. So which brand are we going to talk about today?
So we're going to talk about that brand which gave the highest offers during the greatest Nykaa sale, which is Sugar. So these are a few Sugar lipsticks that we're going to do some swatch tests about.
So let's get started.
So the first shade that we're going to try now is the Sugar Crayon, which is in the shade number 8, which is also called as Jackie Brown. So let's swatch test this.
Yes.
So this comes in this shape and it is the color what it is shown. So let's try it. It comes with this perfect lid which is tight enough, it doesn't just fall off. So let's swatch test this. So it's having such a creamy texture. It's not the actual brown as it says, but it is indeed brown. So let's check this. We do not have any color on our lips. So let's just check this out.
It looks very similar to the one that's swabbed on my hands and on my lips.
So this is so creamy and it is smooth also. It doesn't feel like I'm having any heavy lipstick on this. This is definitely a shade that will go with every skin tone. This can be used as a regular day wear also if it's worn lighter. So I want it proper dark, so it looks very attractive when it comes to functions and stuff. So if you're trying some brown shade,
what about the skin tone? Like
it can. I guess this should go with every skin tone because I am a person a medium to dusky skin tone. So if it looks this good on me, so I'm sure it will be looking great on. It's an all skin type.
Yeah.
So yeah,
even I feel that.
So this was our first shade.
Okay, so this is our second shade, which is in shade number 2, and it is in the range of Smudge Me Not lipstick, and the shade is Brink of Pink. So let's see how this goes. So it is like this in this cute bottle. This is the actual color. So let me just apply and show you guys how it looks. So this shade looks a bit like darker pink. You can see it looks similar to what we have swabbed, and according to me, I feel that this shade will go for medium to brighter skin tone, and this color can be worn in party wear, or if you're going for any wedding functions or any big occasions. This shade will really enhance the clothes, the heavy clothes that you all wear. So I feel this shade, the texture is it dries really fast. As soon as you apply it, it dries really fast. Like it doesn't give you time to spread evenly to all of your lips, so you have to apply it even again, like to all of your lips. But yeah, the thing is fine. But some lipsticks are like sticky when you apply, but this lipstick is, it's fine. It's like I don't feel like I have applied lipstick, so it's super smooth.
So we saw 2 shades. So let's see the star of the night. So this is the Sugar Mini, which is also the Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick shades. So this is their special collection, which says nude shades. So this is not what we chose. It is the 4 nude shades that Sugar itself has chosen. So let's see how it is. So this comes in such a beautiful package. Look at how pretty it looks. And what's written inside? This is what's written inside. Rule the world. One look at a time. And that's what we are doing. One look at a time. So we got such pretty 4 shades. So we'll again be doing the swatch test for these shades.
So let's get started.
So the first shade that I'm choosing is shade number 38, which is Dose of Rose. So let's see how this goes. Comes in such pretty package. It's shimmering. It's shimmering for the light. So let's see how this looks. So we've cleanly removed.
So mini. It looks really cute.
It is the mini that it is.
Pocket
friendly. So we have removed our lipstick with the makeup remover so that we do not have any color. So I'm trying this on.
You need to
I'll swatch it later. I forgot. Let's do the swatch test now. So you could actually question how different it is to that and this. It is actually different. So this is a little tone to the purplish shade of it, and it is so pretty. The formula is actually good, don't you think? So it's not that patchy. It doesn't give you that patchy feeling. It's actually smooth. It's as light as the crayon was. So I would say that this is not a shade for dusky to darker shade. I think this is also a shade to medium to bright shade. For me, it is okay to wear on occasions, but this is not a daily wear lipstick. So this is okay. I think it is looking good. This is this shade.
Probably you can try wearing this when you are wearing a pink shade color.
Pink shade dresses. But it's actually brightening the face. So this is a really good shade, and this is shade number 38, which is Dose of Rose.
So let's get started with our next shade, which is 04, and it is it's in Smudge Me Not liquid, and the shade is Plum Yum. So let's see how this shade looks. Again, the packaging is so cute. So you go with this swatch test.
Looks subtle. So stand. Looks great. Try it. Smelling so nice. There's no color that it's leaving. It's completely Smudge Me Not. How do you feel?
Okay, so I feel this shade is not to be worn in everyday routine. And the texture is smooth. It's nice.
So they've done a good job with the texture formulas. So we'll just get this removed and be back. So let's see the next shades. So I'm going to try on the shade number 3. It's called Tan Fan. So the prior shade that she had tried on was shade number 2. This is shade number 3. I don't think I don't think there's much of a difference. Let's see how different is this. this is, hey, there's difference.
Yeah.
There's difference. So I'm just very excited to try this on. This is also smudge me not only, but I'm feeling this is more smoother than the others I've tried. This is a super, I wouldn't say very bright. It is medium. I think this can be worn on a daily basis. College going girls, you want a bang bang, this is a really good shade. Texture is just like the others, but I feel while applying it was smooth, and it's already dried. It's already dried. So yeah. So that's the review about this shade.
So our next shade is 09, and it's Sauve Mauve. I don't know how to pronounce this. So yeah, let's see how the shade is. Matching with your top.
Yeah, I think I should have worn this actually.
Mm-hmm.
I really hope it's the color of my top. I would love to take a picture with it. So let's swatch it. So it's actually the color of my top.
Yeah, and this is our last lipstick.
Let's see. Yeah, try this.
Okay, so this is a very nude shade. I feel comparative to all the other shade, I feel this has a lot of nude color in this, and this shade I feel it will not suit all the skin tones. I feel only medium to brighter skin tone it will suit, and it can be worn in your casual wears, or you have any formals you're wearing, or if you have any interviews, this color will really suit. And usually in interviews you shouldn't wear any pop colors. This is a very subtle and nude color, and as soon as I apply it, see, it just immediately dries, so it's very nice. And yeah, I feel this is a not so creamier than other ones.
Okay.
Yeah,
it is a little sticky.
Yeah,
a
bit sticky.
Okay, it all says that it's smudge me not liquid lipstick, but I think there is a difference in the formula. So
yeah,
let's cleanse this out. So this was our review about our 6 shades. So we'll be sharing the photos too, and we'll also be letting you know what is this again. We'll just be mentioning it. So I hope you guys really liked our very first video.
Please do like, share and comment, and do let us know how was our very first video. Yeah.
So also do let us know what are the different kinds of videos you would like to see, so that we can plan accordingly, and we would definitely try to fulfill them. So.
Yeah, and we would like to shoot some more videos on all the aspects that you would like to know, and you would like to see how it goes. So we would be glad to shoot that for you guys.
Yeah. So this is me, Divya,
and it's me, Khushi,
signing off for the night.
Yes. And happy Friendship Day once again. Yes. I hope you all guys had a great time with all your friends,
because we are having the greatest time. So thank you guys.
Bye bye.